Everyone, how are you? And this is the Gantt chart that I will use it in my project for this year. And I found this Excel sheet, which is provided from the Research Center of Bedford College from Dr. Maruf, very useful. So because I found this very useful, I'm doing this video just to train you how to use it, and I want all of you to use it. I found it very useful. I cannot force you to use that thing. You can use any plans that you like, but I found this very professional, and I think if you put it on your research, this will enrich your quality of your research. So see how it's working. So I'm going to add, let's say, the literature review. I just increase it. So here I put like 8 weeks because here I said the periods in weeks. So these are the weeks, and let's see how we can do it. So see here, I am adding like 8 weeks for literature review. You see, if you can see that before it was like 25%, then I put it like, no, it's only 10% because literature review, I did not complete the literature review of my research. That's why I need to go more with that thing. So it's like estimation, I finished like 10% of that one. And as you see here, this is the research, my research in the Bedford College this year. And then I'm going to going to put this now the data collection. It will start at 17th week. It takes like 2 months. The actual things, it's about I put like 0 this one, and you can see how it's moved these things. It's actually 0, and I wanted to add the initial. This is the I put like 4. The actual duration is 4 because I don't know where to apply this, when to apply this exactly, before the Christmas or after the Christmas. So I need like 1 month of the application, no more than this. This is my planning. Maybe it's changed during the research, but this is my prediction. So I said the actual duration will be 4 or 1 month, because I don't know if this will be before Christmas or after Christmas. So I put like 2 months, and this is the actual thing. So try to arrange your plan, like practical plan, according to that. So when I am going to, sorry for that. So I think we reach the initial analysis will be started after these two months. So 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24. So it will start here. It's about the analysis about 1 month. If I see, or maybe, yeah. So it will start from, let's say 24, because we said it will start this. It will take like 1 month, which is 4 weeks, yeah. And here I'm going to the actual start. It will be also this one, or maybe before, I'm not sure. And then I'll put the actual duration also 4. So you can see how things is change in here. And here it said 35%. No, I did not make any of them. So this is how we can to add activities. Then prototype refinement, base analysis, refined AI tools, prototype, and these things. This is where it's about 25, 26, 27. So also 4 weeks. So I will put here what we call the, yeah, This one also 4 weeks. Sorry, started 24, 28, 29. Mean this is will start at I think 28. So actual started is also 28. I need only 4 months, 4 weeks, sorry, and I need 4 weeks in here, and I achieved like 0%. So just put like this, and you will be fine with the result, because this is like give you the plan. It can be like this one, like plans can be from the beginning to the end. It can be like interference between two plans or two things. Okay, so this is like examples how to do these things. So this is how we use this Excel sheet as a Gantt chart, which I found it very useful. Thank you very much, and you can complete your Gantt chart by yourself.